What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and today I'm going to show you these cool kicks from Heelys. Now, this great looking shoe here is made from a durable canvas upper that's very soft and smooth to the touch. You have your lacing system up front for a nice secure fit, which is definitely important when you are rolling around in Heelys. You don't want them all loose and coming off when you're doing some crazy tricks out there. Plenty of padding throughout the collar and tongue and in the footbed for all-day support. Sits on a nice little midsole here that's going to absorb a lot of shock, and a nice rubber outsole that's super durable. Now this section you see on the back here, this is where you would install your wheel. Now this comes with a little tool, and if you use this, you just pop this panel off here and throw in the wheels that are included. Now these wheels have ABEC 5 bearings, so they're going to be nice and smooth, give you a really enjoyable ride. Your kids are going to have fun for hours on end, thanks to these shoes from Heelys.